Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming this is error 1005 and capturing the full message. That matters. Once verified, back up the affected files and system settings so you can revert if needed. Make sure you have admin rights and the current software version recorded because you will need to install patches and read logs. Then open the error log and note timestamps, process ID, and related modules. That targeted data points guide the next, precise fixes. You now dig into the diagnostic work, correlate the log timestamps with recent changes. If a module or dependency fails, adjust permissions and confirm dependency versions match expected values. Once you identify the culprit, apply a targeted patch or configuration change. Do not reinstall everything blindly. If a recent update caused the issue, roll back that specific update. After each change, reproduce the error to verify progress. You finish by validating stability. Run the same workflows that triggered error 1005 and monitor for 24 to 48 hours. Make sure no new errors appear. Document the root cause, the exact steps you took, and a rollback plan for future incidents. If the error persists, escalate with a concise package: logs, timestamps, system and software versions, and clear reproduction steps. One key troubleshooting tip: if intermittent, run the task under a clean user profile to rule out user-specific configuration issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.